Oh, hey, you're back. It's sweaty hot today, but we're working on my truck. We do. Today we're gonna notch the bed rails from the underside of the bed to make room for the lately installed C-notch and the bolts because they're hitting. And this is what we're gonna do today. And set on the bed and put on the wheels again to make some really nice things. But at first, let's roll the intro. So whenever you work with fire, sparks or metal shavings, always protect your eyes with some proper safety goggles. These are a bit old school, but they do the job. We notched the structure parts of the bed, and the notches do not fit 100% right now. We have to work on it again. But at first we're going to position the bed to the right spots so that we exactly know where it has to sit. Not quite. I have to correct it from the outside. And they have to fall in. Ah, there you go. Did you see that?
I did.
Cool.
Man.
So this is where we made the relief cut in the bed, and this is what you see here. The structure frame of the bed lays on top of the C-notch plate, and now it has room to sit on, and the bolts on top don't sit on the bed. Everything else sits flush and on the frame and should work very nice. Yeah, everything went fine without major catastrophes, and the wheels are back on. Now I'm lowering the truck down and you can see how it looks with the bed on. It's pretty cool. So now that we got the bed installed and fitted to the frame, wheels are on, everything's looking nice, and I'm pretty proud of it all. We don't do any much more hard, sweaty work. There's just a little thing I want to talk about. That is some merchandise, a banner and some stickers I got made, and I just want to show it to you. This is the cool new shop banner with my logo on it, and we're gonna hang it up now, and you're gonna see the real nice come out, this one. We're planning to hang it on the ceiling, just like a banner, like a flag should fly, and we want to see it when we come in here. Yeah, but before we hang up the banner, I gotta show you some cool stickers I had made. With the new layout of the logo, and these are normal just car stickers, and these are ones for license plate holders. These will be very valuable one day because there's a misprint. It says the Gearhead Depot DE, and it should say .com. So watch out. Look at that, pretty nice. I love it. and the logo comes out really cool on the white pattern. So folks, this was the day at the Gearhead Depot shop. It was a very successful day. We did what we wanted to do, and the weather is still great, so we can go cruising now after we put on my new banner, which I'm very proud about, and showing you the new stickers and showing you what we did today. So have a nice day and see you next time. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to hit a like or subscribe to the channel, and you'll see the description of the parts or things we did in the list below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.